this dollar index. So bearish, below the moving average. You can see price came down, made its new lows, continued this trend, made a nice bear leg, now pulled back perfectly to the 618, is rejecting this area nicely. So now we're looking for it to continue and head lower. So this again moves about 4 points, so might be a little high, but I think it'll be pretty fair. So this would be about 99. We'll keep it at 375, so I think that's closer to its average. So we literally just move these over, we find a nice whole area, which is right here. Again, 1015, you know, very respectful. And then, so 1015, and then you have the 97.75. So that's your full monthly range. This is lining up so that the monthly high is right in this area. And then you got your monthly low here. And then this is your range. So it made its full retracement, so we can delete that. This is your bottom zone here, but not really important. And this is what you're looking at here. So these last few days are rejecting. So, and they're rejecting on the daily, so it shows that it wants to possibly continue down. So I would target this monthly low, which is right in this previous zone. You can see on the weekly here, that'll be our next target. On the monthly, it is having issues breaking below here. There is a bit of a zone here between here and here that it is rejecting, but the cool thing is that once it breaks that zone, which I do think it will, then you know you're good to go till 97.75. So it's gonna have issues breaking that 101 zone. 101, yeah, right around 101 is kind of the zone. So it's got to break that. So then, yeah, you would just wait. You always just wait for a little bit more confirmation if you need. So you can tell price came into this zone, big bearish. This is on the 4-hour, big bearish engulfing candle here to, you know, right at this moving average, and now is getting rejected right at this zone again and this moving average. So that's a great sign. It's basically, this tells a story. So you got big bear candle, pull back, bunch of wicks, weak, and then it looks like it's going to continue down. And so if it breaks this area here, you're probably good to go to sell. So I'm going to set an alert there, and then so ideally you wait for price to come up to here to get your perfect entry, as long as it rejects. But if it doesn't, you know, if this candle closed like this and then it just comes down without testing the upper level, then you just get ready for it to break this area, and then you can target the low position from there instead. So, but you have to let price move to where you need it to move. You can't force anything. So, well, that is the dollar index. That's all I got for right now. So, thanks for watching.